Here's the app called Noise Creator Platform. Videos, inspiration, tracking. The creator platform for everyone. You don't need followers to start. Anyone's welcome, whether you're a pro or just starting out. Discover brands looking to collaborate with creators like you. Get inspired, see what the top creators are doing to level up. Track earnings, manage all of your creator earnings in one place. So seems like a new app. Noise connects creators of all sizes with amazing brands looking to collaborate with fresh creative voices. Whether you're a social media pro or just starting out, Noise helps anyone to start grow their businesses. And we can just tap get and just double click to install it. Let's just open it up to see. And then let's easily create an account here. Our brand soup. So here is how the onboarding looks like. And then there is also invite code in here. Did someone invite you? So I don't think what I want to post about. So and then you can just see in here. And you can just start posting. So that's how the onboarding. And then post now to earn $10. And then yeah, you can see here and see some brands. There are all of these invites, and then you can see like people are posting this on TikTok, and then you're just earning some revenue. So yeah, actually, can you cash out here? Then you can connect your account, YouTube account, Instagram, or TikTok, and then you can just see, and then so for example here, and then you can see if you want to post on TikTok, let's see how much they pay. Download your post images, add captions and descriptions, post and get paid. And then download these 3 images. And then so you need to use these images in your post. So it's not that like you're easily describing the app. And now you need to basically showcase them. But like how much do they pay per 1,000 views in here? So I have no idea. And then also you can invite friends. Get 5% of the earnings for every new creator invite forever, plus get $25 when they get 1K views on their post up to 4 times. So here you can just share this. So feel free to use my code. And then you can see like popular brands. And then you can see content guidelines.
Okay, this is in French, but basically every year or so you got to replace this thing. If it looks a little bit worn out like this,
and then
throw it in the trash. We got something new, the avocado.
I just don't see how much they're paying for. And then yes, so that's basically the idea in here. So brands, trending, content, 13,000 views, 5,000. So as you can see, there aren't that many people who get in like 200,000 views, million views are like small creators, and you can still earn some revenue. So yeah, that's what it is. You can join the Discord. You can withdraw your earnings. Available to you need at least $50 to withdraw in here, and that's what it is. You can also delete an account in the bottom.